We're making cookies.
First, we're gonna bake some cookies. We gotta speak an accent the entire time. It doesn't really matter what accent you speak in because either way it's gonna turn in. Stop!
No.
Okay, so this is Will. Right, Joe. Are we making these properly? Like,
We're making some Jessica cookies, feller. Alright, garbanzo beans and kidney beans.
I still haven't heard a single word from your mouth, Rachel.
Organic coconut flour. Fucking disgusting. Brown rice flour and 1 egg. Cage-free, free-range organic grass-fed. Coconut sugar. Pure and unrefined, please. Baking powder.
And now I know what we're missing. Step 1 in this cookie making thing is to find all the ingredients because your stupid little brother hid them all. Ow! We're on a mission. We need to find the missing ingredients.
Oh my god.
Will, give us a hint.
Leave Rachel know this.
What? How is that even helpful? Go find it, Rachel. Will, play hot and cold.
Oh.
What did you find? What is it? What's that? I can't read it. I can't read it, Rachel. Don't you dare! Don't get me.
Oh my god, it's out of control.
Come here, give me a hug. It's okay, Will. Everything's gonna be okay. What ingredients are we missing?
Coconut jaw thing.
Ah! It's a coconut oil.
Where did you find it? In a cabinet. Hot or cold?
You're really cool.
So when your little brother says you're really cold, it actually means you're smoking hot. What is he doing? Okay. Well, this cookie's making is off to a great start, don't you think? Look how involved she is in our cookie making. Say something.
Roger.
I feel as though I'm the only one who wants to be here. Is this the truth? Rachel, be a bitch and get the bowl. I didn't clean the kitchen from earlier. This is not going to be pleasant. Park, you're very cold, actually, where the bowls are. Great job.
Yeah. I think the best thing to do maybe is to measure everything out that we need first. Wow! And then
We need to mix together. No.
mate.
First steps first. First things first, I'm the baddest. And the fancy. I'm fancy.
First things first, I'm the realest. Drop this and let the whole world feel it. Let them feel it. And I'm still in the murder business. I can hold you down like I'm giving lessons in physics. Right. You should want a bad bitch like this. Drop it low and pick it up just like this. Yeah. Cup of ace, cup of goose, cup of Chris. I heal something worth a half a ticket on my wrist.
Mix together the sugars and the oil. Some coconut sugar, half of a cup, and a half a cup of the brown sugar as well.
What is the consistency of that brown sugar? Sugary. 1/2 cup of coconut oil.
Oh.
1/2 cup of coconut oil. Rachel and I are going to do this together because it's a tricky job when you don't have counter space. Coconut oil actually is great for the armpits.
I wouldn't go that far.
Oh dear. Next task is getting the coconut oil out of the cup that you just put it into. Our next step, is to add the milk and vanilla and mix them till well combined. So, you know that mixer thing that we have?
No,
Yeah, you can look at. Ouch! Okay, who puts your knives into a drawer like that? Look at this drawer. Look at that. And there's knives, and it's like dangerous. These little spears that just want to stab you. And he's looking for this accoutrement under the sink. But ladies and gentlemen, do you think, Rachel, that's not melted? No. Like any logical house, we put the cake mixer with the potatoes. Okay.
Smells like macaroons, eh?
Where are you from, dear?
Canada.
He's from Canada. But where am I from? I don't know. Maybe it's time for some Spanish disco.
Ya no puedo más. Yo quiero estar contigo, vivir contigo, bailar contigo, tener contigo una noche loca.
say, the fuck? We'll do a little test drive. And now, a quick word from our sponsor.
Oh, you cheeky fucker. Give me back my wallet. Oh, hi. I'm a little one-eyed monster.
And back to the cooking show.
Some oil of the coconut.
Why would you use coconut sugar instead of white sugar?
Don't know.
We must add the milk, which we are going to be using.
Pacific Organic Almond Non-Dairy Beverage Vanilla. 2 teaspoons of vanilla.
Why are you so vanilla?
1/2 teaspoon of baking soda. Mix until well combined.
Oh god! I'm like, well, we just did liquids and dries, and I don't know how to bake. Okay, I think we need some music, so this might get crazy. Don't really think you need
true,
it
I'm not good at all
for this, because now it just looks like fucking
but I still
cat
need love,
food.
'cause I'm just
You probably could have just used a damn spoon.
3 Betty.
These
Betty.
nights never seem to go.
Right, well done. But oddly enough, whoa, whoa,
I don't
whoa.
want you to
Oh, a word from our sponsor.
go on you.
Okay, thank you. We're adding the dry ingredients into our sugar
you add the
mixture.
egg?
Watch this. One-handed. Oh, maybe this isn't such a good idea. Oh my god. Alright, there's 2 hands involved now. We're clearing off the mixers. Like it. Oh, yeah. There's some raw egg in here. I don't recommend you doing this at home. It's damn good. And a word from our sponsor.
We need 1/2 cup of chocolate chip.
And go and mix that together. Great.
Can't mix it with this.
Oh my god! Chocolate! What? He's just gonna give up like that. And the shittiest stirring award goes to...
Turn down for what? Turn down for what? Turn down for what?
Well, would you look at that? Some fresh cookies just out of the oven. And the I'm gonna kick your ass award goes to